Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add shipping on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, if you are selling something on Facebook Marketplace and you want buyers to be able to purchase it with shopping, I will show you exactly how to add shopping using just your iPhone. First, open the Facebook app, tap the Marketplace icon at the bottom. Now tap the sell, choose what you are selling like item for sale. Now add your picture, title, price and description. When you get a delivery method, this part is very important. Tap shipping. If this is your first time using shipping, Facebook will ask you to set up your payment. To set up payment, you need to enter your full name, your bank account information, your tax information. This is required so Facebook can pay you. Once that's done, go back to your listing. Now choose your shopping option. You can either let Facebook calculate shipping for you or set your own shipping price. Facebook will ask how to buyer protecting badge, which helps you to your items sell faster. Finish your listing and tap publish, and that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.